Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Hiawatha, local and long distance movers near me. Local moving companies attend to the relocation needs of people moving from one part of Hiawatha, Iowa to somewhere else within the city. Although local moves cover a 50 to 100 mile radius, it has an accompanying logistical setbacks and challenges. We have professional, attentive, and efficient local movers at 3 Movers. With years of experience in the industry, we provide excellent customer service to locals. 3 Movers help the clientele settle into new life across the country. Our long distance movers ease the moving process with the assistance of professional, courteous, and experienced hands. Their services are fast, timely, and efficient, and they take care of services that include complete packing and preparation. Our trained packers have the expertise to pack your belongings using premium packing and moving materials. With care, they wrap your fragile items in ornaments. Efficient moves performed by our expert team. At 3 Movers, we have competent hands available to assist at every location phase. Storage facilities. We have storehouses if you need to keep some of your belongings until you settle into your new home. We provide them on a short and long-term basis at pocket-friendly rates. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Hiawatha moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.